Hello and welcome back to the Geordie Pick Investor channel. Today we're going to look through my InvestEngine portfolio where I invest £100 a month into here in my ISA account, and we are going to see how it has performed over the last month and also invest our £100 for the next month live with you right now. Overall, we can see now our total balance in the account is £1,412.75. Of that money, we are up £10 in our ISA account and £83 in our general investing account. The reason I have money in my general investing account as well as the ISA is because when I first started this account last year, you were officially only allowed to have one ISA account. So that ISA that I had opened in my Trading 212 portfolio, my main account was where I had it, and it meant I had to open up a general investing account over on InvestEngine. But since April, when the new tax year came around, there was some changes made by the UK government, and it was made official that you can now have as many ISA accounts as you want across as many different platforms as you want. So I decided to open up a second ISA account in InvestEngine, which is the account I have right here, alongside my ISA in my Trading 212 portfolio, which is still my main account. I have this account as I can just invest my £100 into my ETFs every month and let them do their work. I'll also hopefully show you over the next couple of years how £100 can really start turning into a lot more than what it feels like at first, and that it's putting in a minimal amount like that, which equates to only £25 a week, and you can really start to see the benefits long term from it when you stay consistent in the market. So let's have a little look through the portfolio, see how it has performed so far. Both of my accounts in here, my general investing and in my ISA, have the exact same ETFs within them, and those ETFs are GGRG, UC99, XDEM, ISP6, XDEQ, XDEV, EMIM, and Franklin FTSE India FRIN. So it's split between these 8 ETFs, and you can see the different weightings between each of them that I have allocated. So the allocations in here are pretty much identical to the allocations that I also have over in my ISA account, because I'm very happy with those allocations and just want to move them straight across. We can see that since opening this account, we are up 4% since April in here. And this one was opened up last year, and we can see that when I opened it back in November, we are up a massive 18% within this one. So you can see these stocks have performed really, really well. Over the last month specifically, we can see that we have had a slight plus in the money, but it's been a negative in the overall of the portfolio because of the fact that we have to pay fees when investing into any different account. You have got fees that come with it, and they have been taken off, which puts my portfolio into a slight negative. Having said that though, we can see very, very minimal and basically a flatline month. So quite a good time to actually get my investment in, as it's not like the portfolio has been going crazy lately, although I am very consistent with this and try to just put it in on the first of every month, as I'm not someone for timing the market. I don't believe you should try and time the market. I think you're much better off dollar cost averaging or pound cost averaging, with us being in the UK, into your portfolios. And set and forgets are just one of the best types of accounts to have, because you're going to put the money in there, you're then going to just let it do its own thing, and you're not going to try and get involved with it, trying to buy and sell, get into the market when it's in a dip and get out when it's in the highs, because you may mistime this and it could bite you in the bum. So I am very much set and forget with this portfolio. Yes, on my Trading 212 account, I am a little bit more hands-on, but that's because I very much enjoy stock picking and I enjoy the research behind them. I'm going to be buying when I feel that the price is right, and I also still dollar cost average into my ETFs over on my Trading 212 portfolio as well, which have also performed very well investing into those over the last year. So I'm going to invest my £100 now into this portfolio. We can see it's going to be coming from my cash position in the stocks and shares ISA. It's very, very easy to add money into this portfolio. Review the order. I just want to keep them exactly the same percentage split as they are right now. And literally it is as simple as that. So that is my cash order gone through. This will then be executed tomorrow at 2:30, because right now it is a Sunday and orders don't go through on the weekends. So with it being the 1st of September, it being a Sunday, I will have to wait for tomorrow at 2:30 for this money to go through. Interestingly enough, it's actually a bank holiday in America tomorrow as well, so this will still go through because these are British ETFs. But if I was to try and buy any American stocks tomorrow in my other portfolio, market will be closed on a bank holiday, so it won't be open open, and I'll have to wait till Tuesday. So we can now see I have a total of £610 value in my ISA account and £782 in my general investing account. Obviously I invested £700 of that £782, and we invested £600 of this £610. And it's very interesting to see that my ISA is slowly catching up to the general investing account, and within the next couple of months this will probably surpass this amount here. So I'm just going to continue consistently investing into this account. Like I say, I'm putting £100 a month in here, set and forget. I believe it's one of the best methods, especially for the majority of people who don't have the time to stock pick and don't actually enjoy it. I definitely recommend looking into some ETFs, and that's the best way to go about it. The ETFs that I do have, if I break them down, I have a global quality dividend growth ETF as my main position with 30% weighting, which is a wisdom tree one. I then have the UBS Factor MSCI USA Quality ETF, which is following US quality stocks, and this has performed very, very well lately and has actually outperformed the S&P 500. I then have the iShares S&P Small Cap 600, just to give me a little bit of exposure to slightly smaller stocks. I then have the World Momentum, which is following stocks that have high momentum. We then have the World Quality. Again, it's in the name, Quality Factor ETF. We then have the Value Factor ETF, and then we have two emerging market ETFs. I have the Broad Emerging Market ETF, which is the iShares MSCI World one, and then we also have the Franklin FTSE India ETF, which is specifically following in India. So that's where all my different allocations are on each of my stocks. If you have any further questions, please let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be very happy to get back to them. Very, very happy with how the portfolio is shaping up. Like I say, it's all about staying consistent in the market. Let me know how your portfolio is doing in the comment section down below. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like and subscribe, and this is the Geordie Pig Investor, over and out.